Konnichiwa Japan. It's a cloudy day here today in Japan, and we're at Morikoro Park Cycling course with my wife, Thuong. She wasn't here in the last cycling vlog, but she's back here ready for some cycling action today. And today's a pretty special day. Today she'll be trying out clipless pedals. So her first time wearing cycling shoes ever. We actually bought her some cycling shoes about a month or so ago, and a couple people have been complaining in the comments, why hasn't she used her new shoes yet? And we've just been busy. She had to go back to Vietnam, apply for her visa and stuff, and finally back here, finally things are getting settled, and finally had a little bit of time to try on the shoes. She hasn't tried them at all yet. We actually rode over here on her regular shoes and we just switched over. I've got them in my backpack right now. They're pretty dirty. We're switching over to the cycling shoes now, so it's her first time ever trying them out, and let's see if she can handle them. どう？楽しみ？
楽しみ。
綺麗だね、この靴。この服でプロみたい。みんな言ってるよ。トゥンちゃん、プロみたい、かっこいい。
それ嬉しい。
じゃあ行こうか。
行こう。
I don't think I've covered this cycling course in my videos yet, but Morikoro Park is one of the more famous cycling courses here in the Aichi region near Nagoya. It's a 5-kilometer course, closed completely to cyclists, so you can see here we've got the map. So a nice 5-kilometer course, nice and safe, protected from cars, so we can practice out the new pedals. Here you go, some nice SPDs. So let's go try them out on the course.
何これ。
あ、押す。So after quite a bit of practice, we finally managed to get Thuong clipped in. She's hanging on for dear life to this pole, and we're just gonna keep going, and hopefully she doesn't have to clip in back again.
大変。
これの良いところはもうやらなくていい。一周が終わるまで。じゃあ行こう。行ってみて。じゃあ最初の印象はどう？
軽い。
軽い？
なんか力あんまり入れてないけど、まあ走ってる。
じゃあこれからもっと速くなるってこと？
どうかな？
楽しみだ。
楽しみ。
ストラバの QOM 取るんだ。We're reaching the end of the first lap. Let's see if she can clip out. できた。左も。おめでとう。もう一周する？しよう。またできる？入れる？
どうかな。
頑張って。お、できたじゃん。
できたよ。
じゃあ今週早く行ける？10分にできる？10分以下。じゃあ行こう。まだいける。いけるいけるいける。 100m。お、できた。外して。うん、できた。今ちょうど10分。おめでとう。10分クリア。Finishing up here at Morikoro Park, Thuong accomplished her goal. She beat 10 minutes on the course, which is pretty fast for her because that used to be a pretty unreachable goal for her. And putting on the clipless pedals, the SPDs with the new cycling shoes, gave her that little extra edge that she needed. She cleared 10 minutes easy, no problems. And unfortunately with this course, you gotta kind of stop at the end. You can't continue going, you gotta get off and get back on every time. So it actually turns out to be good practice for her to clip in and out, clip in and out. And at first it seemed a little bit hopeless. She couldn't really get in, she couldn't really get out. But after getting in once, getting in again, and then just getting used to it, the feeling gets a little bit easier. Now she's pretty comfortable, but still needs a little bit of support getting in. So like holding onto a pole or something, or to a wall while she clips in. But I think she'll adapt pretty quick. She's a quick adapter, and she's taking the long way around with less stairs because she gave a nice little sprint at the end. So she's suffering for it now. That's all we have time for today. Unfortunately, this park, or the cycling course at this park, closes a little bit early. I'm gonna make another full-length video about this park and the different things that you can do here and the cycling course, but that'll be for another date. Got a good practice run in, or 2 practice laps today, so 10 kilometers on the new shoes. We're actually gonna ride back home, so an extra 5K, but we don't want to push it too long today since it's our first day using the new shoes. But let's see what she has to say. 新しい靴、サイクリング靴、どう思う？普通の靴と比べたらいい？こっちの方が。こっちの方がいい、楽だ。やっぱりそうだね。ね。しかもピンクかっこいいな。うんうん。ありがとう。ありがとう。買ってくれて。あ、そうだね。たまにいいプレゼントを買ってあげるね。うん。So yeah, normal boyfriends maybe buy their girlfriends nice jewelry and stuff like that, but for us, I buy her cycling goods, and thankfully she's happy with that. So hopefully we'll be doing a lot more cycling adventures with these shoes, and these shoes will help her go longer distances. We got a lot of comments on the Osaka video where she rode 200 kilometers in flat pedals and regular tennis shoes, and people like yelling at me like, get her on cycling shoes. So we're finally on that now, and lots of adventures to come. As always, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about life in Japan, us cycling around, just adventuring around here, feel free to subscribe, and we'll see you next time here on Two Wheel Cruise. Later. Bye bye.